Hi everyone, today we will discuss 14th GBT tower erection works for BSNL 4G saturation project. Tower erection and activities. Template settings, cube test report checking, auditing of tower part as per the structural drawings, structural drawing studies, tower base placement, tower leg and member installation as per drawing, working platform installation, GSM microwave CDMA mount installation, aviation lamp and lightning arrestor installation, verticality checking of towers. Template settings we will discuss in details because we did not discuss that particular subject during my last video. This is how we have to start the template setting. First of all, the plate has to fix temporarily with the foundation mold. That has to be tied temporarily with the column rods. Then member has to be placed from one column to another column. After that, we have to fix all the members from one column to another with the template, and template has to be placed properly. Each column requires 8 members of foundation bolt, and this foundation bolt has to be fixed on this column rods. All this has to be straight and level has to be measured. And after measuring the level, we have to do the shuttering of this particular portion for final casting. At some places, the workers are doing template setting without doing the half casting of the column, which is not been recommended because we have to do the half of the column to be casting and do the backfilling so that we can get the working platform for doing the template setting. Here they have done without doing the casting of half of the column. That's why they are facing difficulty for doing the template setting and taking the leveling. Okay, so it is always better to do the template setting after doing the half of the column casting and backfilling to be done. Because the foundation wall length is only approximately 1 meter, that is 900 something mm. Okay, so that dimension we can get it in next slide. So we have to do the shuttering as I said earlier and do the final casting of the tower. During the time of casting, we have to use a vibrator by which we can, do the proper setting of the concrete mixture. The water level to be checked for each base plate of the template with each other with the 4 columns. That water level has to be accurately checked. Otherwise, tower installation will hamper. Water level checking again with another column base plate. Then surface inclination to be checked with the spreader level. Again, this center portion of the wall above the base plate to be checked to have a uniformity between all the bolt, approximately 100 mm above the plate. After casting, we can remove the shuttering and we can let it cure with proper watering. Cube test report to be collected before doing the tower erection. 6 cube required to collect and store at the time of casting. Cube tests can be carried out at NABL lab or government institution. Cube test report must be checked before tower erection, which is very important. Tower installation team has to audit the tower parts, which is very important before tower erection. Each part to be verified and any shortage to be reported to supplier immediately. Otherwise, tower erection cannot be done. Safety measures to be taken for the team, like safety harness, safety harness, safety belt, all the helmets and the shoes has to be taken care. for erection team. And also this roof and pulley has to be there for smooth erection of the tower. Structural drawing study is very important. Here I cannot show you because it's a very large drawing and that has to be studied separately. And the members are mentioned over here. Name of the members are mentioned over here. All the members and lake. Okay. So this can be studied at the field before doing the tower erection. Placement of tower base plate. After removing the template, we have to put the base. Okay. See, as per the design, just above the concrete, we are placing the top of the concrete. Then we are placing the tower base plate. Then there is a square washer has to be placed above the tower base plate. Then two nut has to be placed. Okay. But if you see in the picture, the erection team has put the nut below the base plate, which is not there as per the design. The erection team, why they have put this nut is that the template during the time of template setting, the template labeling was checked, placing the template above these nuts. So after removing the template, they did not remove this nut just to avoid the disturbance of the balance. So if they remove this nut, then the leveling of the surface has to be checked again for all the columns. Then only they can put directly this tower base. So it is recommended that this nut has to be removed, and again the level of surface level of this column has to be checked for all the four. Then you put the base of the tower directly as per this drawing. So after base placement of base, you can put the tower legs, all the four tower legs. Okay. Then members has to be put accordingly. After that, again second stage will start. You can lift the material with the use of pulley and rope one by one. I can one by one and can start the tower erection. Platform installation. There are two platforms in this particular tower. One is installed at the member tree L. Okay, and this is the top view of the platform. This is the ring, safety ring, and this is the climbing ladder. Okay, and these are the working platforms. So there is two working platform I said earlier, upper working platform and lower working platform. Okay. So another is that installed at L6. L6 is this member basically. Okay, and L3 is this member. L1, L2, and L3. Then L4, L5, then L6. This is the L6 member. Okay. So working platform is installed. One is installed at L6, and another one is installed at L3. Okay. This is microwave GCDMA and GSM mount arrangement. These are the three mounts. Okay, and this is the diagram shown how it is connected to the tower. This is the top view of the antenna mount arrangement. This is the mount, and it is fixed with the tower leg. And these are the rail by which you can do the rotation of this particular arrangement mount in anti-clockwise and clockwise direction as per the requirement of the clutter and RF engineer. GSM mount installation and CDMA mount installation, microwave mount installation. Based on the requirement of the customer, this installation can be changed. Here, if you see, microwave mounts are installed with the lower working platform, and GSM mounts are installed with the upper working platform. Okay. Here again, microwave is at the top and GSM at the lower working platform. Microwave mounts are installed maybe in this particular side. The LOS clearance on LOS clearance point of view, you need the microwave antenna at the at the higher height, higher level. So it is installed. Again in this particular site, microwave is installed at the lower working platform. Maybe this side is proposed to connect with optical fiber. So GSM is put it at the upper working platform for better coverage. Particularity of the tower can be checked using the theodolites. This is the theodolite equipment by which you can check the verticality of the tower after tower erection. See, during the time of tower 80, the BSNL people is going to check the tightness of nuts and bolt with the torque wrench. There is a specified tightness required for each nut and bolt base depending upon the size. So each and every nut bolt has to be checked with required torque wrench. Then after that, painting is to be done. Lightning resistor installation and aviation lamp installation. See, this is the lightning resistor installed at the top of the tower and aviation lamp also. This is the lightning resistor copper rod which has to be placed at the top of the tower and to be arted with the art pit via GI strip. So you have to have a lightning rod, then GI strip also is required to connect it to the arting pit. And inside this package we will have this is the parts of aviation lamp which you require to do the assembling, and this particular bus bar is for fixing the uh, this lightning resistor rod at the top of the tower. This is how tower installation can be done. In this particular